Good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Here's someone just YK again. So today, I've got one of my mentee here. His name is Mr. Tony. So, Mr. Anthony. So he's gonna be doing the top-down analysis for what we should be expecting for next week for us. So, without wasting much of your time, Mr. Tony, over to you. Please introduce yourself and let's have it.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity, sir, for me to bring my own weekly bias. Now, as you all know that we trade US 30, and last week was so very awesome when one of my colleagues gave a weekly outlook, and it was a back-to-back, making 200 to 300 people. So now, I'll quickly do my own. As we all know that our bias, the trend is in an uptrend market. If you go on our monthly, when you go on monthly, you can see that the market is in an uptrend market. But it's not in an uptrend market. So we can see. So all this one is just happening, just a little retracement. So I will just go to my weekly. So my weekly. So there is something that I did when I was doing my analysis. Yeah, this side bounced back at our Fibonacci as that is a 30. So let me mark it up. So I take it from here to the high. And you can see market respected this 32.20. And also that's what the market is likely to do this week because we can't predict the market. We only follow what the market is saying. So what I will do is that I will mark my key level from here. I'll mark from here because this zone has been that is a powerful zone. That is this up here. This up here. I also mark here again. Here that is this strong key level also where the market is reacting is 38.20. And also here that market is reacting presently. Yeah, I'll remove this my Fibonacci. So why is it key level? Why is it key level? As you can see, market came here, reacted. Market also came here, reacted. It bounced back here. It broke here and went up. Also, it reacted, and this is what happened that yesterday. The market is reacting here. So from here, I'll draw my trend line here. I'll put my trend line from here. So as you can see, there's a multiple toucher 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the market get to this side, I will likely take it up. So let me go to daily. This is my daily, and you can see what the market did there. So this place is a strong area. This is an all-time high. I can see that market came there, it tested, it came down. We also went there, it came down, the same thing. So now I can see what the market is trying to do now. That if this market break this zone, I should be expecting it here. So if this zone able to hold it, I should what? Push it up. But let me see what I'll go back to 4 hours. Let me see what the 4 hours is printing out. This is my 4 hours. This is my 4 hours. So as I've said earlier, that will only react to what the market is doing. So I'll bring out my Fibonacci. I'll take it from the extreme low to the high. I'll do it for the both sides to see how market will react. And you can see, look at this side now is a very strong area. This 43,200. And you can see that the market reacted at 50 level, 50 retracement level. Because in our US 30, we make use of this 38.20 and 50 level retracement. And you can see what the market is reacting. Very strong area. So let me mark an order of our confluences also, but we use psychological level. Let me see what the market is doing there presently. That is okay. And you can see it's a very strong key area also. Market reacted in that area. So what I will do is that when market open, that is on Sunday, yeah, I should be expecting like this. Okay, thank you for the observation, guys. I really appreciate.
You're welcome,
I really
sir.
appreciate. So if market should get to this side, there should be a reaction here. Also, there should be a reaction here. So if this zone, if the candle is able to break this area, we should just expect it down. As in, if market open as at that on that is a Sunday night, so there should be a reaction toward this side, because in London section you see that the market will be going up a little. So if the market during that hour, that morning times, that is a Sunday stroke on Monday, we cannot tell. If the market get to this side, just watch what the candle reaction may look like. So if the market, if this zone, if this is going to hold, you're going to know. You're going to know. So from there, I will not say that you should not, you don't jump into the market during London session, because there will be a reaction here. It might break it or it might bring it down. But in the New York section, you're able to know what the market is saying about. So if I thought that in New York section and the CNBC came out, we were able to know what to do. So if there's a reaction here like this zone is unable to hold it, we should just write it down here again to this side. I can even break this zone again. You take it down. So there will be a reaction like this. Like if I thought that this zone unable to hold it, it will come down. It will come down. But if this zone is unable to hold it, if this zone is unable to hold it, we should not be expecting it like this here, and we take it up. So that is my bias for next week, sir.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Tony. That was perfect. And then, do we have anybody that has any observation, any addition, any subtraction? Anybody, any question?
No, boss.
All right, so signal provider for next week, and there will be a live class from Monday. Mr. Tony, you'll be the one to anchor it. On Tuesday, I'll be live. I'll be live with all of you. So from Monday, every day, I'll also be there. But on Tuesday, I'll be live. I'll be the one to hold it on Tuesday. But from Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not certain. Mr. Tony, so signal provider, Mr. Tony, I want a strong person again. Let me see.
I'm here, sir.
Okay, you want to volunteer to be one of the signal provider, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Tony, Mr. Pablo, Mr. Lamikosi, are you going to be available this week?
Yeah, I will be available. Mostly
Okay,
because I've charged myself. No matter what,
perfect,
I'll try to be
perfect.
dropping
Because
my heart on there.
I want us to be having this live every day now, every day, every day. And I want you to be anchored by the signal provider on Tuesday, and I'll be the one to hold it so that everybody can just be making the money together live. We lose together, we make the money together. So I want that to return. And every signal provider, just like what I said on the group yesterday, your chat must be dropped on the group every day in the morning. And Mr. Onigogi, from today, you have an assignment with me every day, Monday to Friday. Drop your chat on the group. Mr.
Okay, sir.
Onigogi, Mr. Sidoff, every day
Yes,
you must drop your chat on the
yes, sir.
group every day.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And signal provider, please, quarter to 15 minutes to New York news. I'll share the link. I'll be sharing the link every day. I'll share the link. They will start immediately. So is that
Okay, sir.
clear? So that's
Yes,
how
sir.
we'll be doing it, because I want everybody to be charged. Those that are trading proprietary firm, bring it on live. It will be passed. And then real account, bring it on. Let's double the account together. Let's lose together. Let's win together. You understand? So that's how it's going to be done. So is there any question? Any question from anybody?
No, but to me,
I want
no,
to
sir.
believe that everybody, what can you say about this week trade? Like the live I had with everybody and the rest. So what can we say about it?
It was awesome, sir. Very, very
It was
awesome,
great.
awesome,
It was
sir.
great.
And he really taught me about patience. Patience. Don't do anything. Even if the market is saying sell and your bias is buy. But
Everybody see the
immediately,
way I switch from buy to sell,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. From buy to
yes,
sell.
I expect everybody
yes.
to go and
Yeah.
learn from that video. That was why I even gave that video out to the public so that people can learn from it. There's a lot in that video. Now, and there's some things I didn't talk about because it's a free class for the public. There's a lot. That video is loaded. Only people that have the inner eyes can see some things on that. The way I switch that thing from that buy to that sell. So that's just it.